If you're looking for a unique Christmas centerpiece, look no further. Hello and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. What's better than a Christmas tree? Why, one you can eat, of course. But first, a drink. Here's one that pairs perfectly with Christmas trees of all sizes, which I call Candy Cane Lane. To make it, all you do is combine 2 ounces of light rum, 1/2 ounce vanilla liqueur, 1/2 ounce mint liqueur, and 3/4 of an ounce fresh lemon juice. Shake with ice and strain into a cocktail glass with a candy cane rim. Rim your glass with light corn syrup to make the crushed candy canes stick better. I'm ready to create a tree. This majestic tree comes to us from the library of Betty Crocker and is the perfect centerpiece for all of your holiday meals. To make it, melt 3 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan. Then add 3 cups of mini marshmallows and melt those. Remove from heat and add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla and 1/2 teaspoon of green food color, then add 4 cups of Cherrios and coat completely. Butter your hands and form into a Christmas tree on wax paper and trim with sliced spice drops. To make the star, slide 2 spice drops onto a skewer and add colorful toothpicks and slide into your tree. It's the perfect Christmas tree. It won't drop a single pine needle and you don't have to store it after Christmas. Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Be sure to tune in this weekend for a visit from your favorite cousin. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.